What's going on, guys? Today we're going to get into bartering and trading. For those that don't know, bartering and trading is when there's a financial collapse. You can't use your debit card, can't use your credit card, and can't use cash to buy and get the things that you need for you and your family. These are the things that I have stocked up and the things that you should stock up too. So no particular order, just going to get right into it. First things first is ammo. I have 9mm, 308, 45 ACP, 12 gauge, 22 LR. Guys, ammo is very versatile. A lot of people say, oh, you just need it just to shoot people. No, you can shoot out tires if need be. You can shoot off locks. You can shoot animals. You know, there's a lot that you can do with ammo just besides harming people. So that's why I say ammo. And yeah. Next is peanut butter. This is PB2. Bought this a couple days ago. Shelf life out of this world. Put a moisture absorber in here or oxygen, and boom, you're good to go. Plus, you get to get the muscles going. So that's also good too. Rule of thumb, guys, which I'm glad I just seen it. Rule of thumb: whatever it says on the packaging, more than likely it's the packaging that's going to expire, not the contents that's inside. So just keep that in mind, guys. Okay. Next is honey. I have two different types of honey here. This is Florida raw honey I got from Costco's, and this one I got from Aldi's. As you guys can see, it's almost gone. Honey is very good. You can actually heat this up, put this on wounds if you need to. You don't have anything like that. Like I said, it's very versatile when it comes to honey. Honey doesn't spoil. Only thing I will say is that honey, if it's raw and unfiltered, sometimes it does crystallize. You heat it back up, heat it up, leave it out in the sun or whatever, it'll go back to its natural state. So, honey. Next, prescriptions. When I say this, I don't want anybody to get offended, but the truth is the truth, guys. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. A lot of people are going to go back to their old ways. They're going to be, scratching and fiending for something. If you have that, and I'm not talking about ibuprofen, Tylenol, things like that. I'm talking about like the O's and the H's, the oxys, hydros and things like that. So if you need it for yourself, I highly recommend you stock up on it. You keep it for yourself. But if there's something that you or your family need and you actually do need that, remember, we got to decide between needs and wants. I highly recommend you keep that stocked up. So, and that goes to my next point too. Cigars, cigarettes, marijuana, CBD, whatever you want to call it. I highly recommend you guys stock up on that. Only reason being, people do go back into their old ways. Like I just said, people go back into their old ways. And me, I gave up cigars a long time ago, so that's why this is still in the packaging. I haven't opened it up. I actually got this about a year ago. It's just sitting there collecting dust. So this is something that I highly recommend that you get out. And I also highly recommend you guys start off with cigarettes first if you can. And some places cigarettes are sky high, other places you can get them dirt cheap. So like I said, what your wallet has, what's in your budget. So yeah. The last thing I would say is alcohol. So I'm gonna show you guys this. Shout out to my pops. This is his go-to. But yeah, guys, alcohol at one point in time, pretty much everybody was a drinker, did drink at one point in time. I'm not saying that you're an alcoholic, but it is true. So yeah, alcohol. This next part I'm about to show you is what I highly recommend that you do if you're gonna barter and trade. Only reason being, which I'm gonna give you guys the example, and you're gonna say, oh, that makes sense. So next, it has to do with alcohol, but it's ponies. I bought these ponies, these reusable ponies on Amazon, 30 of them. And let's say, for instance, your neighbor has a sandwich and you don't have no food, you're craving that sandwich. Hey man, I'll give you 2 ponies for that sandwich, And now think about it like this. Would you rather give someone this whole bottle of alcohol or give them 2 ponies for that sandwich? So you got to think about it like that, man. Like I said, we got to use our brains. You got to think about the needs and the wants, especially when we get into a recession, so to speak. Think about your needs and wants. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Like I always say, be vigilant, be blessed, stay out of trouble. Don't forget to check out my YouTube when TikTok gets canceled. All right, you guys have a good day.